At its simplest, yogurt is fermented milk. What transforms humble milk into this creamy, tangy, staple superfood is the work of beneficial bacteria known as probiotics. As a fermented food, high-quality yogurt is rich in live, active cultures. When consumed, these beneficial bacteria join your native gut population, helping to enhance digestion, boost immunity, and synthesize vitamins such as B12 and K2. Walking into a modern grocery store can be overwhelming. The yogurt label is applied to an incredibly diverse array of products. The difference isn't just about fruit on the bottom versus pre-stirred. It's about fermentation time, milk type, straining methods, and, crucially, the specific bacterial strains responsible for the fermentation. To help you navigate this probiotic paradise, we have compiled the ultimate guide to the 12 primary types of yogurt, detailing the organisms that define them and the unique health benefits each one offers. Number 1. Traditional yogurt. Traditional yogurt is the standard, classic style that many of us grew up with. It is made by fermenting milk, usually cow's milk, with starter cultures. Crucially, it is unstrained, meaning all the liquid whey is left intact. This results in a smooth, slightly runny texture and a mild, recognizable tangy flavor. Because the whey remains, it is often higher in calcium than its strained counterparts. Because it retains all its whey, it is often the best yogurt choice for the most calcium per serving, which is essential for bone density and strong teeth. Since the core starter cultures are highly efficient at breaking down lactose, this style yogurt is easier to digest than raw milk for many people. Number 2. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt has taken the world by storm, defined by its incredible thickness and concentrated creaminess. This texture is achieved by straining traditional yogurt extensively to remove the liquid whey and lactose. This process concentrates the remaining nutrients, particularly protein, while giving the yogurt a tart, intense flavor profile. Straining creates a much higher protein concentration per serving, often double that of traditional yogurt, supporting muscle repair, satiety, and metabolic health. Removing the whey also removes much of the milk sugar, lactose, making Greek yogurt often better tolerated by those with lactose sensitivity. Number 3. Skyr or Icelandic yogurt. Skyr is an Icelandic cultured dairy product or soft cheese. However, because its production method and culinary uses align so closely with those of yogurt, it is categorized alongside yogurt. Skyr is strained even more extensively than Greek yogurt. The result is an impossibly thick, velvety texture, a naturally fat-free composition, traditionally made from skim milk, and the highest protein density in the dairy aisle. It has a mild, less tart taste than Greek yogurt. Authentic Skyr cultures are traditional, complex heirloom strains, often containing a diverse variety of the core Lactobacillus and Streptococcus species. Unique health benefits include maximum protein with minimum calories. Since Skyr is fat-free and highly strained, it offers the best protein-to-calorie ratio of any yogurt style, making it ideal for athlete recovery and weight management. Number 4. French-style yogurt. French-style yogurt focuses on texture and undisturbed fermentation. While Greek and traditional yogurt are cultured in large vats and then stirred and packaged, French yogurt is pot-set. The milk and cultures are poured directly into the individual glass jars they are sold in and allowed to ferment right there. This process creates a single, firm, delicate, and silky smooth curd that must be broken by your spoon. Because the fermentation happens in the final container, the bacterial population is often very stable and viable. The pot-set method creates a uniquely stable environment for the probiotic bacteria. With no stirring or agitation before consumption, the viability and concentration of the beneficial cultures are often exceptional. It is often less acidic than strained varieties, offering a gentler experience for those with sensitive stomachs while still providing robust digestive support. Number 5. Australian yogurt. Australian-style yogurt is unstrained, yet it possesses a remarkably luxurious, velvety texture. This middle ground is achieved through the cooking process. Manufacturers cook the milk slowly and longer, often adding honey during the process, which encourages a smooth, cohesive structure without the runny consistency of traditional styles. Australian yogurt is a reliable source of vitamin B12, crucial for energy metabolism and nervous system health. Number 6. Kefir. Kefir is made by inoculating milk with kefir grains, which are symbiotic cultures of bacteria and yeasts. This complex relationship creates a thin, effervescent, and deeply tart beverage. Kefir is highly fermented, making it one of the most probiotic-rich foods on the planet, containing far more strains and a higher colony-forming unit count than standard yogurt. Associated probiotic organisms include Lactococcus lactis, Lactobacillus kefiri, Leuconostoc, and beneficial yeasts such as Saccharomyces kefir. A single bottle can contain over 30 unique probiotic strains. Because it uses both bacteria and yeasts, kefir introduces a wider variety of organisms to the gut than any other yogurt style. This supports a more robust and resilient gut ecosystem. The unique strains found in kefir, particularly L. kefiri, have been shown to have exceptional antimicrobial properties and robust immune-modulating effects. Number 7. Labneh. Labneh is the ultimate strained yogurt, farrily found in Middle Eastern cuisine. It is traditional yogurt that has whey is removed, leaving behind a thick, spreadable consistency that rivals cream cheese. It is tangy, dense, and often served as a savory dip drizzled with olive oil and spices like za'atar. Due to the severe straining, the concentration of these bacteria is extremely high. Straining traditional yogurt until it becomes labneh concentrates the existing probiotic bacteria, making it one of the most potent food-based sources of the core starter cultures. Straining concentrates not just protein, but all the remaining minerals and beneficial compounds. Number 8. Dahi, Indian curd. Dahi or curd is a traditional fermented dairy product from the Indian subcontinent. It is a naturally set yogurt made by fermenting milk with starter cultures. Traditionally, a small portion of the previous day's curd is used as the starter for the next batch. It is known for its distinct, mild, and non-acidic flavor. It is a staple in everyday Indian cooking, used in marinades, savory dishes, and the classic drink lassi. The foundational cultures include Lactobacillus species, such as Lactobacillus delbrueckii and Lactococcus lactis. Because it is often made using traditional indigenous starters, dahi can contain complex heirloom strains native to the region. Dahi made with traditional starters may introduce native, robust strains of beneficial bacteria that are highly adapted to human digestion. It is traditionally revered for its ability to cool the digestive tract, especially when consumed alongside spicy foods. Its mild nature makes it excellent for settling an upset stomach. Number 9. Bulgarian Yogurt. Bulgarian yogurt is arguably the ancestor of all modern yogurt. It is revered globally for its exceptionally tart flavor, smooth texture, and the specific strain of bacteria that bears its name. Authentic Bulgarian yogurt is traditionally fermented using a precise balance of its two original microorganisms, Lactobacillus delbrueckii subspecies bulgaricus and Streptococcus thermophilus. The symbiotic balance of these two organisms creates a uniquely potent and healthy final product. In Bulgaria, this specific strain of L. bulgaricus is considered a national treasure. Bulgarian yogurt was famously studied by Nobel Prize winner Elie Mechnikov, who linked the remarkable longevity of Bulgarian peasants to their high consumption of this specific yogurt and its potent probiotic content. Number 10. Filmjölk, Swedish cultured milk. Filmjölk is a traditional Swedish fermented milk product. While not technically yogurt, It shares the same foundational purpose of introducing beneficial cultures to the gut. Unlike most yogurt, which ferments at warm temperatures, Filmjölk uses mesophilic cultures, meaning it ferments at room temperature. This unique process creates a thin, drinkable texture that is mild, slightly buttery, and pleasantly tangy. The main cultures are mesophilic, such as Lactococcus lactis, including subspecies Cremoris and lactis, and Leuconostoc mesenteroides. Number 11. Matsoni, Caspian Sea Yogurt. Matsoni, often marketed as Caspian Sea Yogurt, originates from the Caucasus region, modern Georgia and Armenia. Like Filmjölk, it is a mesophilic yogurt, fermenting at room temperature without the need for a heated yogurt maker. It is known for its remarkably viscous, slightly stretchy texture and a very mild, non-acidic flavor. Traditional Matsoni starter is complex and passed down through generations. A complex traditional community of mesophilic bacteria, primarily Lactobacillus kefir and various species of Lactobacillus and Lactococcus, is involved. Matsoni is prized for its ancient, diverse, and robust bacterial community, which has adapted to survive outside specialized fermentation conditions. Some research suggests that the unique viscous nature of Matsoni may create a coating effect that helps soothe and protect the intestinal lining. Finally, number 12. Plant-based dairy-free yogurts. With the rise of vegan and dairy-free diets, manufacturers now culture non-dairy alternatives such as oat, coconut, almond, cashew, or soy milk using traditional yogurt cultures. This is a growing category that cultures these non-dairy milks to create a tangy flavor and a consistency that mimics traditional yogurt. The defining starters are L. bulgaricus and S. thermophilus, applied to a non-dairy base. High-quality varieties frequently include supplemental super strains like Lactobacillus rhamnosus, studied for immune health, and Lactobacillus paracasei, studied for digestive comfort. This category offers robust probiotic benefits to those who are strictly lactose intolerant, allergic to milk proteins, or following a vegan diet. Now, how to choose the best probiotic yogurt for you? The incredible variety of yogurt available today means that there is a perfect option for every taste and health goal. When navigating the dairy aisle, remember these core tips. Number 1. Read the label. The most important phrase on any container is "contains live and active cultures." Without this, the yogurt is heat-treated after fermentation, which kills the beneficial probiotics. Number 2. Look for strain diversity. Check the ingredient list. The best probiotic benefits often come from products that contain multiple strains, such as Bifidobacterium, L. acidophilus, L. casei, or the robust strains found in Kefir and traditional Bulgarian varieties. Number 3. Prioritize plain. Flavored yogurts are often loaded with added sugar, which can diminish the benefits of probiotics by feeding harmful gut bacteria. Choose plain yogurt and sweeten it yourself with fresh fruit or honey. Number 4. Consider your goals. For maximum protein, Skyr or Greek. For the most probiotics and diversity, Kefir. For max calcium, traditional or Australian. For dairy-free, oat, coconut, almond, or soy alternatives with added live cultures. For ancient, robust cultures, Bulgarian or Matsoni. By understanding the unique properties of these 12 distinct types of yogurt, you can transform a simple grocery run into a powerful step toward a healthier, happier microbiome.